Today I am going to show you to make a simple flower using crepe paper. For this, first you will have to take normal A4 paper, green color. You need a small bit, and crepe paper, a strip of it, and then tape and scissor. So let's start by putting the tape at the extreme end of that crepe paper strip that we have, and then we'll just form a normal loop knot. Once you have formed the knot, all you have to do is open the crepe paper which is folded and just push it and fold towards the knot that is formed. So basically, as you are pushing, you will also turn the flower, and you will notice that as you turn, it already starts shaping up in the form of a flower, simply in this way. There's not a lot of effort to do. If you feel that the fold is not right, just open it up and put it properly before you could finish up the whole flower. And once you are done folding and pushing it together in this way, turning part by part, the tape that was there initially, you will just turn it upside down and cover that flower. However, you will need more tape, but this is just for the initial part so that your flower sticks together. I will take another piece of tape and cover the whole bottom portion of the flower that we have. Once you are done covering the part of the flower, now it's time to make the stem. Now the stem part is very simple, very easy. You can cover the stem portion in the way that I am going to show you. If you have another way, you can feel free to do so. It will also look good. So simply taking one corner of that green color strip of paper that we just cut, you will just tape it around that flower end portion like this, and then all you have to do is keep rolling the bottom portion in this way. Once you feel that you have enough of the stem size, you want it short, you want it long, just cut off the excess of it and stick off that portion. Now the places where I'm using tape, you all can even use glue. However, I feel the tape will hold it much more better than the glue. So just cut off the excess of that tape that we have, and that's it. That's a tiny stem, and here your flower is ready. Now this portion, I'll give it a 3-fold, and we are just going to make a leaf. Once I give it a 3-fold, fold it in between in this way, and all you have to do is make a curve cut from one end to the other on this folded portion. Make a curve cut like this from one end to the other. That's how simple it is to cut a normal straight leaf. That's it there, and we are done. And just tape up the bits of the leaves that you have. Now leaves are totally optional, your choice. I have cut 3 parts over here. You all can even use 2 if you all want more. Now if you all want, you all can present this flower in this way or put it in a cellophane paper and gift it to someone. It is very quick, simple. It looks like a carnation, very cute and easy to make. Like the flower, then please do let me know in the comment section. And another tip, to enhance the beauty, you can shade the corners of this flower, the tips, so that it will look more prettier. Found the tip useful? Then please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on Tip Lab.